Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the term differentiability. So differentiability means how to find derivative of a function. It's called differentiation. We already learned in class plus 1 how to find or how to differentiate any given function using the formula f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This already we learned. So this is the derivative of the function f of x with respect to x. Okay. So derivative of f of x with respect to x, that is f dash of x. So using the concept of limit we can find derivative of the function. So you just recall in class plus 1 we learned derivatives of the function like x, sin x, cos x, e raised to x, log x, etc. So derivative of x with respect to x can be written as d by dx of x. Okay, d by dx means derivative of x with respect to the variable x, and we learned derivative of x is 1, and derivative of sin x, that is d by dx of sin x. Derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x, and similarly derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of e raised to x, e raised to x means exponential function, it is e raised to x itself, and derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. All these kind of differentiation we learned earlier using first principle rule. Okay, using first principle rule. First principle rule means that's our defined expression limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And also we know what is chain rule. Chain rule of differentiation, chain rule or product rule of differentiation, as well as quotient rule of differentiation. Chain rule means suppose we have two function f of x and g of x. F of x is first function and g of x is second function. Now we can find the product of these two functions f of x into g of x and its derivative of product of f of x and g of x. So f of x is first function and g of x is second function. So by chain rule it is first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. Okay, instead of f of x and g of x you can use u and v also, that also correct. U is a function of x, v is a function of x. So first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. And here you can replace dv by dx, derivative of v as v dash plus v into u dash. Okay, anyway quotient product rule is first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. And similarly quotient rule. Quotient rule is suppose we have a function f of x and g of x and consider their quotient f of x by g of x, and we have to find its derivative d by dx of f of x by g of x. Here f of x is numerator and g of x is denominator. So its derivative can be written as start with denominator. Okay, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Okay, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. So anyway this is the basic concepts we already learned in class plus 1. Today we are going to discuss about how to find derivative, how to differentiate composite functions. Okay, this is the first function, composite functions. Composite function means function of a function. Is clear? Composite function means function of a function. Let's see how to find derivative of such a functions using this concept. Okay. Derivatives of composite function. So composite means function of a function. Okay, composite function means function of a function. We know different type of functions, namely algebraic functions. Algebraic functions means containing variable x. Then trigonometry function. We also know what is a trigonometry function. Functions having sine, cosine, tangent ratios. Then exponential functions. Exponential function means just like e raised to x, e raised to y and so on. And similarly logarithmic function in terms of log. All these functions are familiar to us. So here function of a function means suppose we have sine 2x plus 1. Suppose a function sine 2x plus 1. So we can divide this function into two. One is sine. Sine means trigonometry function and second one is algebraic function. Okay, trigonometry function plus algebraic function. Such functions are known as composite function, function of a function. So we are going to discuss how to find derivative of these function of a function. So take an example, f of x equal to sine ax plus b. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x equal to derivative of sine. What is derivative of sine? Cos. So derivative of ax plus b is cos ax plus b into derivative of ax plus b. Derivative of ax is a, derivative of b is 0. So answer is a into cos ax plus b. Okay. So this is function of function. Now listen, we have another example. Let's see. F of x equal to cos root x. Okay, f of x equal to cos root x. So what is its derivative? F dash of x. So derivative of cos. What is derivative of cos? Minus sine. So derivative of root x is minus sine root x into derivative of root x. What is derivative of root x? That is derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. By heart all the results. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So answer is minus sine root x divided by 2 root x. It is not possible to cancel these two root x. Okay.